Welcome to the Traders Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. Welcome to the Power Combo, designed to help day traders, the ScalpMeter Pro and the Range Target Risk Oscillator. Two custom-built indicators from the $1 Million Margin Club, designed to work together and support your momentum and risk decisions with greater clarity. Let's start with the Range Target Risk Oscillator. In the top left of your screen, you'll find a row of 9 labeled boxes, each representing the range of the last 9 candles. Green means the candle closed higher than it opened. Red means it closed lower. This layout offers a snapshot of short-term momentum. To the right, 2 labeled targets appear. A green target displays the average upward move from the last 9 candles, useful for evaluating potential long trades. A red target reflects the average downside movement, helpful when considering short setups. You'll also see a per-share P&L label, green when in profit, red when not, and a total P&L label showing your real-time position in dollars. On the chart itself, you'll notice green and red arrows derived from a modified RSI calculation. A red arrow pointing down suggests the stock may be entering overbought conditions. A green arrow pointing up suggests the stock may be oversold. These directional signals may assist in evaluating potential trade timing. Altogether, these labels offer insights into recent price movement and typical range behavior, helping traders plan exits with greater structure. Now let's look at what helps identify potential entries. Meet the ScalpMeter Pro. The ScalpMeter Pro is the engine behind your trades. At the base of your chart, you'll see bold blue volume columns. These represent volume for each candle. But what makes them different is what's happening inside them. Inside each, a green line shows rising buyer activity, while a red line shows seller strength. Small dots mark where that buying or selling pressure last closed, updating live as each candle forms. Above these bars, 2 percentages show the buying and selling volume distribution. Together, they always total 100% and update moment by moment to reveal the live tug-of-war between bulls and bears. To the far right, a set of 10 vertical bars functions like a VU meter for trading volume. More green blocks indicate rising buyer pressure, while red blocks reflect increasing selling strength. Watch the EMA VWAP label closely. When the 14-period EMA crosses above VWAP, a green label appears, suggesting bullish strength may be building. If momentum fades, the label disappears. The same logic applies in reverse. When the EMA crosses below VWAP, a red label appears and stays active while selling momentum persists. Finally, 2 volume labels display the current candle's volume and the previous candle's volume. If current volume exceeds the last candle, the label changes to blue and triggers an alert, giving you a heads-up that momentum could be increasing. Together, the Range Target Risk Oscillator and the ScalpMeter Pro make up the Scalp Smart Navigator, a unified system that helps you observe short-term strength and potential risk parameters as trades unfold. Designed for scalpers and active traders, these indicators offer a structured way to view movement, momentum and volume in real time, helping support confident decision-making in fast-moving markets. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.